Hey Spicy Gang, let's learn and understand our nail drill bits. The Mandarin bit is used with a sanding band and good for surface work. The cuticle cleaner preps the cuticles without damaging the nail, and the ball shape is used to remove hard skin around the nail or the loose skin around the cuticles. Under nail cleaner is good for tight spaces like under the nail and the side walls. The safety bit has a round top and good for sidewalls and cleaning the cuticles without damaging the nail. Your comb bit is good for preparing cuticles, sidewalls, and cleaning under the nails, but better for toenails, not fingernails. Your flame bit is good for removing hangnails. The 5-in-1 is good for cleaning, shaping, preparing, and shortening your nails. And the taper edges do help prevent burning or cutting your client. The barrel/cylinder is good for backfilling, cutting, shortening, and shaping the nail. Do not use that one around your cuticle area. I cannot stress that enough. That will definitely hurt your client.